This is, by far, the best and easiest method for making money on Google. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you everything you need to know about how to make money with Google. Watch the video closely until the end, as we explain the best Google money making method out there. Right after this. Okay. The first thing you want to do is open up your browser and go to Google Maps. I will explain everything, step by step, while showing what to do on the screen. For this proven to work method, you will be looking for newer, local businesses on Google Maps, first in your area. When mastered, anywhere in the world, but we will get to that later. So, first search up your local area. I am going to be using a random location as an example, Huddersfield, in the UK. Next, think of a business type. I recommend a business with expensive products or services. That way, we will be using dentist as our example business. So, just type in dentist since you are searching in your location. Let's see what Google found for us in Huddersfield. Right away we see that none of the dentist businesses run ads. That's great for us. We already did a video on making money from these businesses and running ads for them. We will get a bit into ads later on in the video, but briefly. I highly suggest watching our first video on making money with Google, where we go into more details about running ads for businesses, because it works great with the method we are using today. But for this proven to work method, you are going to use Google My Business to help them and get them to pay you. I'll explain everything while showing you what you want to do on the screen. So, let's find a suitable example business. We have already selected our example business, which is Webster Gill Dental Clinic. Let's take a closer look. They have a location and a phone number on Google, and that's it. They are not verified, no web page, no reviews, and don't have business hours filled out. That is why Google doesn't give them any priority when people are searching for dentists in Huddersfield. Pay close attention while I explain what you want to do and why. Since a similar business to our example is in your area, it will be easy for you to contact them. The first thing you're going to do for them will be free and very easy. You are going to get them verified on Google, no charge, and that will make them much more susceptible to your next offer. For example, we call up the dentist, Webster Gill, and present ourselves, then say, I was looking for you online and noticed you are not verified on Google compared to most the dental clinics in the area. If you have a minute, we would like to do that for you, no charge, completely free. Most say yes, but in case they turn it down, wish them good luck and look for another unverified business with no web page. So in our example, they say yes, like most do, because it's free. You open up your browser and type in Google My Business. Once you are there, press Start Now button in the top right corner while on the phone with them. And take them through it, step by step, so they are verified on Google, no charge. We are doing something for them free, and that makes them subconsciously want to do something for you. After that, tell them more about how other businesses in the area have reviews, maybe even write them a 5-star review yourself. Make them aware and understand the importance of having a web page, opening hours, and the overall presence on Google and the internet. And that is one of the ways you are going to be getting paid by these businesses. Don't worry, I'll explain and show you everything, and it's very easy. Every single one of you can do it. We are going to make them an offer to take care of everything they need on the internet. From opening hours to their Facebook and web page, explain to them how much potential profit they will have because of it. And they obviously will profit. For example, let's ask them, how much is one customer worth to them? As you can imagine, for a dental clinic, it's more than $50 on average. So if a customer is worth $50 on average, and let's assume for a town like this, or your local area, being ranked higher on Google and Google Maps, bring them 5 customers a month. That is $250 a month. Or much more, due to their expensive services which they already know. and that is, on average, $1,750 a year. Or, a lot more, and that is why you're going to offer them your services for a one-time fee of $1,000, at least. Now, you might be asking yourself, how are you going to do this? If you don't know how to create a website, or have a domain. If you do, even better. Let me show you how and where. We go back to Google My Business, and we are going to create a free, easy to make website in minutes. The site takes you through the entire process. Creating a page, or getting them more engaged, on Facebook, is just as easy. If you don't already know how to create a page on Facebook, look up a guide on YouTube and watch it. It's really not that hard, and same for engagement on Facebook. I suggest joining dental groups and local groups. For our example, but still, suggest you doing some more research. It's worth it for $1,000. And that brings us to the next step of your offer, and that is managing their web page and social media. This is one of the ways you will be generating a monthly income with this strategy. Remember, the people you are targeting don't have a web page. Most of them aren't verified. So most of them don't have social media for their business, or it's not being used effectively. In most cases, they don't know how to, or just don't want to do it. Which makes them more inclined to take your offer. I suggest a percentage agreement, but feel free to offer a monthly fee that works for you. You will need to learn about social media marketing if you aren't familiar with it already, but it's really not hard at all. The second way you can make a monthly income helping these businesses are ads, Google Ads. We already did a video on Google Ads on our channel to help rank businesses higher on Google and Google Maps. Go check it out. It works perfectly with today's strategies, and you can keep charging the business monthly to run ads for them. Same as in our previous example, you can agree on percentages, or on a flat monthly fee, and figure out how much of that are you going to use for running ads for their business. It's up to you. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope you found it useful, and that you start making money online. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you have a question. If you like the video and want to see more online money making opportunities, guides and methods, hit that like button, and subscribe to our channel. Also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Until next time.